In today's video, I'll show you how to fix auto empty dock not working on MOVA V50 Ultra. If auto emptying doesn't work, then first of all, try making sure that your dust bag isn't full. So once you open these door on the robot, you'll find the dust bag and make sure that it's not full. If it is, then you should replace it to ensure that it's fine. Then also make sure that it's properly installed. There's a video on how to replace it, so you may want to watch that. Now, the next thing is to remove the robot from the station. Open the lid on the top of the robot and then find the dust bin. Now you can, hold on because it'll start moving soon.
Pause.
I'll pause it, yeah. Now let's remove the dust bin and make sure that the filter isn't clogged and that there's no dust on the inside. Remove it basically. Clean it. You can rinse both the dust bin and the filter with water, but if you're doing it, make sure to let it air dry for at least 24 hours before you put it back in. And also, as you're already doing that, make sure that this hole right here is free, like it's not clogged with anything. And also make sure that this outlet is also not clogged. To check that, I recommend removing the filter and then putting your finger in like that to make sure you can open the door here. Then you should also make sure that on the robot there's going to be this hole right here. As you can see, there's this hole, and there's also this hole on the back. So make sure they aren't clogged with anything. And then wait, I need to get the filter because it popped away. Yeah, and then the last thing to check is to check whether this silicone part can be opened easily, and check inside of the docking station if the hole for the dust is also not clogged. And I hope that it was helpful. Now, if none of that helped, make sure that you also have auto emptying enabled in the app. So let's go to the app now, and once I load the robot, I can now find different settings. Let's go out of that. Hold on. Okay.
You can say to the robot, "Hey MOVA."
Okay, now you can either manually trigger auto emptying to see if it even works. So I'll need to return it to the dock and then trigger it. And now once it's in the station, you should be able to click on dock on the bottom of the app, then click on auto empty and it will automatically start emptying. If it didn't work, click on the three dots in the top right corner and then find dock settings and make sure auto empty settings are set to your desired thing. So you may want to set it to standard, so it just does it after each cleaning task, and then see if it works. If it didn't, then you may want to contact the after sales service. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.